My body. I'm Amit. My body has many parts. All the parts have different names. Now you know the names of most of the parts. Some of our body parts are in pairs. Some are more than two. Can you name them? All human beings have the same body parts. The body parts of a baby are small. The size of our body parts grows as we grow. I am now a small boy. I had smaller body parts when I was a baby. After some years, I will be an adult. I will then look like my father. When I grow old, I will look like my grandfather. I am short now. My father is tall. My father is young and strong. My grandfather is old and weak. From the above pictures, you will see how our body parts grow as we grow. All living things grow like us. Animals, birds, and plants also grow.